Hey guys, here's my Meepo board. You asked me to try to demonstrate the sound with me being off the board, but it doesn't make it unless I'm on the board. So I'm going to write it for a little bit and let you guys hear it. Alright. Alright, so there you have it. I don't know what that crinkly, clinkly, clinkly noise is. If I press down firmly on the back of the board, which I don't really want to do too much right now, and if I let the polyurethane, if I let him spin a little bit, I can hear the rattle coming from this right rear hub. I did tighten down the Allen screws on each of them to make sure they're secure. I just did that prior to this test. So it just makes a weird noise. I have a Wowgo Mini for comparison. It doesn't make that noise at all. I will say I don't notice any degradation in performance. I still get about 11 miles on this. And it seems to ride fine. I'm just kind of concerned with it, especially at higher speeds, which I can't do while holding a phone and stuff. I'm not that good yet. It really starts to get noticeable. So I feel like something maybe is loose or something like that, or maybe the motor's slapping or a bearing's going bad. And it did not make this noise the first, I want to say 20 miles or so of riding. And I have probably about 50 to 60 miles on this board right now. So the first third of the time I owned it, it did not make this noise at all. And I don't notice anything that happened that caused it. It just started doing it. All right, guys, let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.